systems to validate, and it's true sometimes I find that it's not working, but in fairness to NIA, the regional director is always with me. In my experience in my district, I always attend the Farmers' Day. But ever since I got to know the irrigators associations because of the program of President Marcos.
For the record, no, the Department of Agriculture and the National Irrigation Administration, as far as I'm concerned, walang palabra di honor. Just validate the report of your field personnel. Huwag kang maniwala kaagad. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. Medyo, if you will allow, Mr. Chair, medyo mahaba-haba to kasi this is
continue
in relation to my interpellation during the budget sa plenary ng NIA. At for the record, no, the Department of Agriculture and the National Irrigation Administration, as far as I'm concerned, walang palabra di honor. Kaya, saan nanggaling yon? Dahil you promised me to submit the following day. No? Ginawa nyo lang para lang matapos ako sa interpellation ko. You promised me. Saan yung scientific study na hinihingi ko which will determine kung saan natin ibagsak yung budget, meager resources na budget para sa irrigation para ma-maximize natin. Kasi ang dami pa nating dapat i-irrigate pero walang kakayahan yung gobyerno na punduhan lahat yon. Year in, year out, hinahanap ko saan nyo ibagsak dapat may scientific study na yung area na paglagyan ng irrigation ay magkakaroon ng higher yield. Just to appease me, you committed na i-submit bukas. Nung tinanong ko, may scientific study ba? Yes. Sa isang linggo, 2 beses kami nag-uusap ni DA kasi may disconnect dito eh. Baka na-correct na yung disconnect na yon, kanya-kanya. That's why, Mr. Chair, for the record, I am recommending this is in aid of legislation to review the charter of the following government agencies para malinaw po yung mandato nila. Ano ba yung charter ng National Irrigation Administration? Ano ba yung charter ng Department of Agriculture? Ano ba yung charter ng Cooperative Development Authority? Ano ba yung charter ng Land Bank of the Philippines? Ano ba yung charter ng Development Bank of the Philippines? Kasi mukhang nawala yung land, land, Mr. Chair, no? Bank na lang ang natira. Kaya kung kitingnan mo yung datos, commercial na kasi pinipinance na nila yung housing instead of agriculture. So, titingnan natin lahat yon. To legislate something, tingnan mo, may programa tayo, contract farming. Kanino ba talagang trabaho to? Is it trabaho ng National Irrigation? Is it trabaho ng Department of Agriculture? Is it a mandate of the National Food Authority? Nagkalabo-labo na to, Mr. Chair. Kaya this committee should review all the charter of those government agency. Now, balikan ko yung sinabi ko kanina na pambungad, Mr. Chair. I believe in the principle of garbage in, garbage out. May mga datos na pinipresent dito. Ito yung irrigated. Ito yung kailangan pa nating i-irrigate. Ito yung irrigated pero hindi na functional. Kailangan natin ng repair. Then, they are presenting something which for me personally, no, cannot fully believe. Because this happens in my case. Ngayon, I would like to ask Mr. Chair, Administrator Gillian. Alam ko bago lang siya sa NIA, pero ang sinasabi ko lang dito, are you sure doon sa mga data na pinesent mo sa committee na ito yung irrigated? Are you 100% sure of that data? Na talagang yung sinabi mong irrigated ay irrigated talaga. Because kahit bukas, puntahan natin yung lugar namin na sinama ninyo na irrigated sa report. Kung talagang irrigated. Kasi kung mali yung data na yon, mali din yung magiging desisyon ng committee. That's what I mean sa garbage in, garbage out.
With regards to NIA, sir, kaya namin alam yung data namin kasi pagkatapos magtanim, meron po kaming evaluation kung ilan po talaga natataniman. Actual evaluation po.
Mr. Chair, ang tinatanong po ng representasyong ito ay talaga bang 100% sure si Administrator Gilin na yung present niya na data dito na number of hectares irrigated based on the record ay tama 100%.
Mahirap naman.
Are you confident na tama yung data na present mo? Kasi doon tayo magsimula eh. Kasi kung mali yung binigay ninyo dito, ay mali po yung magiging rekomendasyon ng committee.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yeah, yung binigay po naming data ay tama po yun kasi may evaluation po kung may after ng...
Mr. Chair, no? Administrator Gillen is under oath. Pero hindi naman po tong committee na to aabot doon sa mga contempt na yan. Ang sinasabi ko lang, I will not believe to you personally kasi I have personal experience with you. Okay, doon sa ilang hectares yung Mr. Chair, yung nireport mo ngayon na fully functional irrigated?
Around 1.2 billion hectares, Mr.
1.2 million hectares. Kindly look at the data kung kasama na nireport ninyo na irrigated yung sa Dinagat.
Mr. Chair, actually kung hindi nataniman, hindi po namin
No, just kindly answer my question. Doon sa 1.2 million hectares, kasama ba? Hindi ko tinanong kung nataniman kung hindi. Dahil i-report nyo na 1.2 million hectares, ang tanong ko, kasama ba yung irrigation sa Dinagat na nireport ninyo na irrigated? Kasi pag sinabi nyo irrigated, dapat mataniman yun. Wala namang farmers na hindi magtanim kung may tubig eh. Ako mismo nag-aararo ako 1987 nung huminto ako pag-aral dahil walang pambili na pambayad ng tuition. Ako mismo nag-aararo sa namin. And that area, no, na more than 2 hectares, ako mismo ang nag-aano dyan. At yun ang nireport ninyo irrigated, pero yung lasing, doon natulog sa mismong kanal ng irrigation dahil walang tubig.
Yes, sir. Actually po, sir,
personal ko yan, na-experience.
Ang report po namin kanina is that meron po tayong 1.5 million firmed up service area. Ito po yung, actually yung unang report po namin kanina, 1.7 million ang NIA assisted, 1.7 million hectares.
Mr. Chair, for the interest of time, gusto ko lang ulitin yung tanong ko, 1.2 million hectares yung irrigated. Tama po ba, Administrator?
Actually, sir, ang irrigated natin lahat, ang firmed up service area natin is 1.5 million. Pero ang natatanim naman po namin
sige,
is
firm up, kahit ano, basta irrigated. Firm up yan, ano. Kasama ba yung sa Dinagat na nireport ninyo na irrigated?
Kasama po yung Dinagat doon sa firmed up service area. Pero yung 1.2 million hectares namin na operated, meaning yan lang po napapatuloy. Hindi po kasi namin sinasabi, Mr.
I don't
Chair.
want to argue, no? We are wasting time na mag-argue tayo dito. Ang sinasabi ko lang, napatunayan ko na yung report ninyo ay hindi validated. Uulitin ko yung sinabi ko doon sa plenary. As far as I'm concerned, the office of the administrator has no way of validating the report submitted by the regional office. Sa totoo lang, after the interpellation dito sa plenary, saka lang nag-coordinate sa akin yung regional director. Yung tao ninyo sa province, takot na sa akin na makipag-coordinate dahil sinabi ko na she is lying. Kasi nung sinabi niya, binalidate niya, 6 na irrigation, ni-report ninyo na tapos na, pero hindi functional. Sa kanyo lang sinabi na lagyan nyo ng solar. Pero ang lagyan nyo lang ng solar, out of the 6, yung sa akin lang, dahil congressman ako, nagre-reklamo ako. How about the 5? Nire-report pa rin yung na-irrigated. Tapos, nag-submit sa inyo yung provincial officer ninyo na po pinuntahan niya. Hindi niya po pinuntahan. Ako ang nagpunta doon. Kaya, during the interpellation, I provided you with the pictures. Ako mismo ang kumuha ng pictures na walang katubig-tubig. National Administration lang po yung nandun. Wala pong irrigation dahil walang tubig.
Actually, Mr. Chair, may pinadala, yung nag-report sa akin yung tao ko, may pinadala pang video po na mayroon namang tubig doon sa nireport po ninyo. But, you know, for the sake of...
I'm willing to go with anybody from DNIA. Puntahan natin. Sabado or next week. Puntahan natin para lupa namin yun eh.
Sir,
but anyway, we will not focus on that. Ang sinasabi ko lang, yung data ninyo, kasi that would be the basis of the committee recommendation. That would be the basis of the committee, no, to enact law. Paano natin ihimay-himay yung problema, no? Maganda po yung pinresent ninyo. Maganda pakinggan. But, bottom line, halimbawa, si NCIA, 1.7 million hectares po yung sabi niya, 1.7, tama po ba, VJ? Tama po ba?
Yes, that is the coverage area of...
Yes, coverage area nila. So, doon pa lang, medyo mayroon ng discrepancy. Yung mga data na binibigay ninyo, no? Mayroon ng discrepancy. So, that's why gusto kong I will respectfully recommend na ma-review kasi mayroong mga agency na hindi nagtatrabaho. O kung yung direksyon ng agency ay gagawin yung mandato nila, yung mga taong dapat gagawa sa mandato ng agency na yon, it's not necessarily the administrator or the secretary, yung mga tao po sa baba. Yan yung tinutukoy ko. Kasi wala po kayong mga tao na nakikita doon eh. Pagka nag-budget, nagpasalamat ka sa Kongreso na binigyan kayo ng budget. But the next question would be, how would you implement the project, no, na pinaglalaanan ng budget na yan that will trickle down doon sa objective ng pagligay ng pundo ng Kongreso. Nilagyan ng Kongreso yan ng pundo dahil gusto nating madagdagan yung mga area na ma-irrigate para makuha natin yung objective natin, self-sufficiency, food security. So, the next question is, talaga bang nagawa natin step by step na as a result, nakukuha natin yung objective natin? And I will answer my question. Hindi po, marami po tayong mga project na pinaglaanan ng pundo. I am not saying na during your time, I am saying in general, NIA, no? I am not saying na during your time. Ako, hindi ka pa masyadong matagal sa NIA, pero you're different from your predecessors. I believe in your capability, administrator. Pero sinasabi ko lang, kindly correct the mistakes of the past. Huwag mong kopyahin kasi madadamay yung performance mo. Huwag kang maniwala kaagad-agad doon sa mga tao mo sa baba na nasa air condition room lang. Kasi pag nag-report ka dito, ay ikaw ang sisingilin namin na you own that report. Ang problema, yung report na dumarating sa iyo, hindi mo pinabavalidate kung walang magrereklamo. Kaya nyo lang binalidate dahil nagreklamo ako. Paano yung mga lugar na walang member ng House? Hindi makasali sa diskusyon ng budget ninyo. So, in general, maganda yung programa natin. Sa observation ko lang, Mr. Chair, mayroong overlapping of functions, mayroong nagtatrabaho na kusinira, tagaluto, ang ginagawa niya naglililis lang, hindi nagluluto. Mayroon ding tagalinis na ang ginagawa niya nag-iigib, nagluluto. So, mayroon din tayong tagabantay ng binilad na palay, pero iniwanan, naglalaba. So may mga disconnect dito sa different government agency. Maganda yung programa, pero yung pagka-implement kung minsan labo-labo. Ako sa power industry ako. Ang nangyari diyan, yung general manager na ang umakyat sa poste at nagre-reading ng metro. Pero yung lineman nasa air condition room. So medyo may mga yun yung nakikita ko na na problema dito. I will manifest support sa NIA, pero alanganin ako doon sa Department of Agriculture. Kasi yung Department of Agriculture, with all due respect, Department of Agriculture, bihira nga lang makita yung mga agriculturist ninyo dito eh. Sa Cooperative Development Authority, may amendment na tayo na I agree with you na you cannot attain the objective of your without the cooperation of the local government. Kaya nga may amendment na tayo sa Cooperative Code na mayroon ng Cooperative Development Officer bawat munisipyo. So, mayroon na tayong mga ginagawang batas dyan, pero medyo hindi nag-function. Kasi hindi naman, kung Cooperative Development Officer ka, hindi mo naman alam yung agriculture. You can organize, but you need the municipal agriculturist para may sa katuparan yung programa ng Department of Agriculture. So, sa tingin ko, ginagawa na ng National Irrigation yung trabaho ng Department of Agriculture, yung trabaho ng NFA. Taga na lang si NFA. So, kaya Mr. Chair, sa pangkalahatan, we need to validate all of those data. Kasi sa palagay ko, may mga mali dyan, administrator. Kailangan nating ituwid yan. Kasi pagdating dito sa budget na naman next year, baka akala mo 1.5 million hectares yan, pero 1.2 lang pala. So, para may natin, yung sinabi mo na solar, kindly re-engineer, revisit that program. Baka kasi yung return of investment mo na pinapangarap na 3 years ay yung lugar na pinaglagyan mo sa Dinagat, sa Siargao, 1 taon pa lang nilipad na yung solar na yan sa Baguio, tapos sa record ninyo irrigated pa rin dahil may solar, pero lumipad na. Paano may return of investment? Wala na. 2 linggo lang mula pag-install. So, you revisit that. Yan ang mga sinasabi ko na hindi tayo kaagad-agad maniwala, administrator, doon sa mga pinagsasabi ng mga tao sa field. Kaya ako, general manager ako ng Electric Co-op, pumupunta ako mismo doon sa kung talagang umakyat ng poste. Otherwise, sasabihin, hindi namin naakyatan dahil bulok na. Yung pala, ayaw lang talagang umakyat. So, I'm not saying napuntahan mo. You create, alam mo yan, I don't want to elaborate on that. Just validate the report of your field personnel. Huwag kang maniwala kaagad. Ikaw ang madidiin doon sa report mo. So, for the interest of time doon sa mga kasamahan ko, Mr. Chair, ang haba kasi may hugot ako dito sa agriculture because we are a family of farmers. Ako mismo nag-aararo. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. At this point, may I recognize former President Arroyo? Ma'am?
Mr. Chair, 2 things on Congressman Dagok's interpellation. Number 1, yung sinabi niyang reviewing the mandate of the different departments to see where there's a disconnect. In my experience in my district, I always attend the Farmers' Day. But ever since I got to know the irrigators associations because of the program of President Marcos to put together DPWH and NIA, so they have been giving it. So I got to know the irrigators association. Now, when I would go to the Farmers' Day, I would look for the irrigators association leaders or members, and they're not there. So I think when in reviewing the mandate, one of the things that that would have to be probably reviewed or have legislation or recommend IRR is that DA and NIA should work closely together on the ground. The proof is that on Farmers' Day, why not invite the irrigators? See, that means that there's no connection. Now, second, as far as validating on the ground, it would be the Irrigators Association can validate on the ground. I also go to the irrigation systems to validate, and it's true, sometimes I find that it's not working, but in fairness to NIA, the regional director is always with me. So when we see that that there's a dry irrigation canal, then the NIA does something to remedy it. So I just want to
Thank you.
say that, well, if there's a problem with other RDs, there's no problem with the RD of Region 3 because they do their job. And secondly, putting together NIA and DA on the ground. So that's how to do that in legislation. That's the one that I would recommend studying. Thank you.
Thank you.